Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, and I'm happy to share this brand new Model Y Juniper. And check it out, they came in for a new wheel and tire package, and this is one of our Overland packages. This is actually a 19-inch wheel, and it's a 255/50 R19 Falcon Wild Peak tire. One of our most popular packages for Model Y, always in the 18-inch. But check out the 19. This is a TST in space gray with the Overland tire. Talk about curb protection. You can go banging over curbs with this, no problem. This is gonna be one of the best options for the Model Y, and it looks really cool on this Juniper. I love the color tie-in. Let us know what you think about this in the comments below, but check it out. Talk about having protection from potholes, curbs, and having a softer ride. The 19-inch, this is pretty cool. So if 18 was a little too small for you, we got 19 for you right here. All right, everybody, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel because we got a lot more content coming your way.